Hello friends, myself Rashmi Patel. Today we learn for class 9. Today we learn another topic, chapter number 11. Veditvani Mitrani. It's a poetry section, means given verses. Veditvani Mitrani. Mitrani means friends. Veditvani means should be known. Friends should be known. Given title Veditvani means friends should be known. We start this lesson. First given verses. वेदितव्यानि मित्राणि विज्ञेयाश्रपि शत्रवः इततः सुसूक्ष्मं लोकेऽस्मिन् दृश्यते प्राज्ञ समष्टम. I convert the verses into prose order. मित्राणि, फर्स्ट पे आएगा मित्राणि वेदितव्यानि. मित्राणि वेदितव्यानि शत्रव च, इनमें से वर्ड्स चेंज होगा. च प्लस अपी निकलेगा. च प्लस अपी. ओके, च प्लस अपी प्लस विज्ञेय प्लस विज्ञेय. ओके, डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. मित्राणि वेदितव्यानि शत्रव च अपि विज्ञेयाः अस्मिन् लोकेऽस्मिन्, इनमें से भी डिवाइड होगा. ओके, लोके लोके प्लस अस्मिन् अस्मिन् लोके प्लस अस्मिन्. अस्मिन् अस्मिन् लोके एतत् प्राज्ञस्मटं सुसूक्ष्मं दृश्यते. I repeat the whole prose order. मित्राणि वेदितव्यानि शत्रव च अपि विज्ञेयाः अस्मिन् लोके एतत् प्राज्ञसमष्टं सुसूक्ष्मं दृश्यते. वेदितव्यानि. वेदितव्यानि means worthy of known या should be known. Okay, वेदितव्यानि. मित्राणि. मित्राणि means friends. मित्राणि means friends. शत्रव. शत्रव means enemies. शत्रव means enemies. विज्ञेया means worthy to be known या should be known. अस्मिन् लोके means in this world. अस्मिन् लोके means in this world. प्राज्ञ समष्टम. प्राज्ञ समष्टम means agreed upon by the intelligence. Agreed upon by the intelligence person. Susukshmam. Susukshmam means very suitable. Susukshmam means difficult to understand. Yeah, very subtle. Okay. Next, drashyate. Drashyate means it is seen. Drashyate means is seen. I explain the translation. Friends should be known. Friends should be known. Enemies also should be known. Friends should be known. Enemies should be also known. Enemies also should be known. This is seen. This is seen as a very difficult one by even the learned. Okay, I repeat the whole translation. Friends should be known. Enemies also should be known. This is seen as a very difficult one by everyone to know या learn. Okay, your first process is complete. Second one, शत्रुरूपा हि सुभद्रो मित्ररूपा सा च शत्रवः सण्डितास्ते न बुध्यते क्रामक्रोधवंशं गताः शत्रुरूपाः शत्रुरूपाः हि सुडेतो I convert into prose order हि शत्रुरूपाः हि सुडः मित्ररूपाः च शत्रव मित्ररूपा च शत्रव फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड च निकलेगा शत्रव क्रामक्रोधवंशं गता क्रामक्रोध गता संडिता संडिता ते संडिताः ते न बुध्यते क्या रिपीट शत्रुरूपाः हि सुबद्धः मित्ररूपा च शत्रवः कामक्रोधवंशं गताः संचिताः ते न बुध्यते शत्रुरूपाः शत्रुरूपाः in the disguise of enemies in the disguise of enemies या false क्रामक्रोधवंशम gata that means moved by the desire and anger sandhita means compacts are formed na buddhayate means are not understood mitra means friend and shatra means enemies yeah foil I take a translation friends assume the guides of enemies and enemies assume the guise of friends when compacts of friendship are formed it is difficult for the parties to understand whether the other parties are really moved by desire or anger. I repeat the whole. Friends assume the guise of enemies and enemies assume the guise of friends. When compacts of friends are formed, it is difficult for the parties to understand whether the other parties are really moved by desire or anger. Next verse is नास्ति जातु रिपुनाम मित्रनाम न विद्यते व्यवहारे च जायते मित्राणि रिपवस्थता. I convert the prose order. जातु रिपुनाम नाम न अस्ति okay रिपुनाम न अस्ति get in two words झाटु रिपुनाम न अस्ति मित्रनाम न विद्यते व्यवहारे च मित्राणि तथा रिपव जायन्ते I repeat जाटु रिपुनाम न अस्ति मित्रनाम न विद्यते व्यवहारात् च मित्राणि तथा रिपवः जायन्ते. जाटु means at all. Ripu means enemy. Nama means certainly. Vidayate means astika form means is. Vyavaharata means due to behavior or circumstances. behavior, circumstances. Giante. Giante means became. To व्यवहार means our day-to-day life of give and take our dealing with people. It is only when we deal with people that we make friends or enemies. I can neither be a friend nor enemies of a person with whom I have not only dealing. This is explained further in the. तो फिर देखते हैं। तो एनिमीज तो हमारे व्यवहार से ही उत्पन्न होते, जो एनिमीज होते या फिर फ्रेंड्स होते, तो वो हमारे बिहेवियर पर डिपेंड करते हैं। तो आई टेल इट आंसर। रियली स्पीकिंग देयर इज नो सच थिंग एज एन एनिमी और अ फ्रेंड। रियली स्पीकिंग देयर इज नो सच थिंग एज एन enemy or a friend. Person become friends as well as enemies due to circumstances, means behavior. I repeat, really speaking, there is no such thing as an enemy or a friend. Person become friends as well as enemies due to behavior. Okay, next verse is यो यस्मिन् जीवति स्वार्थः थम पश्यन्त पीडां न जीवति स तस्य मित्रं तावत् सायदं यावनं सायद विपर्यः. Convert into prose order. यस्मिन् जीवति यः स्वार्थं पश्यते न जीवति पीडां पश्यते स विपर्य न सायद तावत् तस्य मित्रं सायत्. I repeat, यस्मिन् जीवति यः स्वार्थं पश्यते न जीवति पीडां पश्यते स विपर्यः न सायत् तावत् तस्य मित्रं सायत्. य means who. Yasmina Jivati means as long as he lives. Swartham means on interest. Paschate means see. Na Jivati means who does not live. Pida, trouble. Pida means trouble. Yavat sayat. Okay, yavat sayat means so long as. As long as. Viparya means change. Viparya means change. Mitra means friends. A particular person is our friend. A particular person is our friend as long as he serve a proposer or otherwise or useful. A person who falters us also serve a propose as he pleases our ego. Translation. He who regards his own interest. In short, as long as another person lives. And things them in danger, trouble. When the other person cases to live takes that other person as friend so long as there is no change or reversal. Okay, I repeat the whole translation. He who regards his own interest ensure as long as another person lives and thinks then trouble when the other person cases to leave, take that other person as friend so long as there is no change. Next verse is मित्रं च शत्रुतामेति कस्मिंश्चित् कालपर्यये शत्रु च मित्रतामेति स्वार्थो हि बलवंतरः. I convert the prose order. कस्मिंश्चित् कस्मिंश्चित् कालपर्यये कस्मिंश्चित् कालपर्यये मित्रं च शत्रुताम इति यहाँ से ये जो वर्ड्स है इति बाहर निकलेगा इति. ओके. कस्मिंश्चित् कालपर्यटे मित्रं च शत्रुतम इति शत्रु च यहाँ से च निकलेगा शत्रु च मित्रताम इति फिर से ये इति स्वार्थः हि बलवंतरः. आई रिपीट. कस्मिंश्चित् कालपर्यये मित्रं च शत्रुताम इति शत्रुः च मित्रताम इति सर्वथा हि बलवंतरः. नेक्स्ट. कस्मिंश्चित् कालपर्यटे means in a certain change of time. मित्रं शत्रुताम इति means a friend become a mitratam ch shotrutam means a friend becomes a enemies, and shotrutam ch mitratam means enemies become a friend. He indeed, and balvantara means more powerful. When the time, okay, I tell a translation. When the time change a friend become an enemy and enemy become friends. जब टाइम चेंज होगा कि सर्कमस्टेंसेस चेंज हो गए, जब जो फ्रेंड थे वो एनिमीज बन जाएंगे और जो एनिमीज थे वो फ्रेंड बन जाएंगे. तो व्हेन द टाइम चेंज अ फ्रेंड बिकम्स एनिमीज एंड एनिमीज बिकेम अ फ्रेंड. इंडीड सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट स्वार्थ सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट is more powerful. Indeed, self-interest is more powerful. Next. तटमित्रं कारणं सर्वं विस्तरेण अपि मे शृणु कारणात् प्रियतामिति दृश्यो भवति कारणात्. Convert into prose order. मित्रं तट सर्वं कारणम् अपि विस्तरेण शृणु. रिपीट. मित्र तट सर्वं कारणम् अपि विस्तरेण शृणु कारणात् प्रियतम इति. यहाँ से फिर से इति निकले इति दृश्यः कारणात् भवति. आई रिपीट द होल प्रोस ऑर्डर. मित्र तट में सर्वं कारणम् अपि विस्तरेण शृणु कारणात् प्रियताम इति दृश्यः कारणात् भवति. मित्रं फ्रेंड्स. विस्तरेण in detail. Shrunu listen. Priyatam iti means becomes friends, a dear. Dreshya means enemy. The first line should be Tatamitram The mouse called the cat his friend while refusing the cat's invitations to come out to meet the cat as a dear friend. The point in the second line is expanded in the नेक्स्ट वर्सेस. तो हम जो ये जो वर्सेस है वो हटाए जो इसे नेक्स्ट वर्सेस में कंप्लीट किया जाएगा. ओके, तो देखते हैं. ओ फ्रेंड्स, ट्रांसलेशन है. ओ फ्रेंड, लिसन टू माई होल रीजन इन डिटेल. लिसन फ्रेंड, listen to my whole reason in detail. It is become of some cause that anyone become friends. It is because of some cause that anyone become enemies. Dot 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 dot. Okay. So, oh friend, I repeat the translation. Oh friend, listen to my whole reason in detail. It is because of some cause that anyone becomes friends. It cause of someone cause that anyone becomes enemy. Next verse is मंत्रोऽहं जपरेणः कार्यथां प्रीयते जनः उत्पन्नात् कारणे प्रीतिराशिनो कारणान्तरे. जन फर्स्ट पे आएगा. जन फर्स्ट पे आएगा. दानेन सेकंड पे आएगा. प्रियो थर्ड पे. भवति, जनः दानेन प्रियो भवति. चापर तो अपर च प्रियवादने न भवति. प्रियवादेन भवति. अन्य जनः मंत्रोऽहं पच्यते. कार्यथां प्रीयते. आई रिपीट. जनः दानेन प्रियः भवति. अपरः च प्रियदानेन भवति. अन्यः जनः मंत्रोऽहं जपेः कार्यथां प्रीयते. दानेन means due to charity. दानेन means due to charity. प्रियवादने because of sweet. प्रियवादने means because of sweet speech. मंत्र होमो जपे. मंत्र च होमो च जपे. अलग अलग होगा. मंत्र च होमो च जपे. ओके. मंत्र च होमो च जपे. अपर चापर लिखा. अपर मीन्स अदर पर्सन. कार्यथाम मीन्स फॉर द वर्क. ट्रांसलेशन. One become dear because of his charity. One become dear because of his charity and another become dear for his pleasant word. एक जो होता है वो अपने दान से प्रिय होता है, फ्रेंड्स बनता है. और दूसरा जो होता है वो अपने स्वीट स्पीच से, अपने बिहेवियर से अच्छा होता है, फ्रेंड्स बनता है. बिकॉज ऑफ चांट, सैक्रिफाइस एंड जप. बिकॉज chant means mantra, sacrifice, home, and japa means jap. Okay. So because of chant, sacrifice, and jap, a person is loved for the work. I repeat the whole verses. One became dear because of his charity, and another become dear for his sweet words, a sweet speech. Because of chant, sacrifice, and jap, a person is loved for the work. Next verse is 8 number. 8 1 उत्पन्नः कारणे प्रीतिराशिनो कारणान्तरे प्रवदस्ते कारणस्थाने च प्रीतिनिवर्तते। नो फर्स्ट पे आएगा नो प्रीति प्रीति नो प्रीति कारणेन्तरे नो प्रीति कारणेन्तरे पहले नो आएगा, उसके बाद प्रीति आएगा, उसके बाद कारणे, उसके बाद कारणांतरे उत्पन्न आसीत। I repeat the first line. We convert in prose order. Okay. तो नो प्रीति कारणे कारणांतरे उत्पन्न आसीत कारणस्थाने प्रवष्टे सा प्रीति विनिवर्तते। I repeat the whole. नो प्रीति कारणे कारणांतरे उत्पन्न आसीत कारणस्थाने प्रवर्तते सा प्रीति विनिवर्तते। नो नो means of both of us प्रीति means affection कारणंतरे means because of other cause प्रवदस्ते कारणस्थाने means कारणस्थाने means this is the locative absolute construction या फिर when the cause is destroyed, when the cause is destroyed। विनिवर्तते means goes back या comes to an end। When Lomus, the cat, and Palit, the mouse, were facing the danger of being killed by the hunter, they were friends. Both of them saw themselves by mutual help. Now that danger has disappeared, so I cannot be your friend. Now I am weak and you will eat me up, said the mouse. अभी आपको मुझे मेरी हेल्प चाहिए, पर जब आप, क्योंकि आप अभी वीक हो, आप अभी हेल्पलेस हो, इसलिए जब भी आप स्टैंड हो, फ्री होगे, आपके इस वीकनेस से आप छूट जाओगे, तब आप मुझे खा जाओगे। ऐसा कौन कह रहा है? माउस कह रहा है कैट को। द अफेक्शन बिटवीन अस अरोज फ्रॉम अ सफिशिएंट कॉज दैट कॉज टू नो लॉन्गर एग्जिस्ट। ये लंबे समय तक नहीं चलेगा। The affection between us arose from a sufficient cause that cause no longer exists. On the other hand, from other reason, that affection came to an end. I repeat the translation. The affection between us arose from a sufficient cause that cause no longer exist. On the other hand, from adequate other reason, that affection came to an end. Next verse is आत्मरक्षणतंत्राणां सुपरीक्षितकारिणाम् आपदो नोपद्यते पुरुषाणां स्वदोषं सजाः। Convert into prose order. आत्मरक्षणार्थं सुपरीक्षितकारिणां पुरुषाणां स्वदोषाजम् आपदो न उपद्यते। I repeat the whole prose order. आत्मरक्षणतंत्राणां सुपरीक्षितकारिणार्थं पुरुषाणां स्वदोषजाः आपदः न उपद्यते। First, आत्मरक्षणत्राणां means of those who are mindful of protecting themselves. of those who are mindful of protecting themselves. Suparikshita karinam. Suparikshita karinam means who do their acts after proper consideration and survey. Okay. Repeat, who do their acts after proper consideration and survey. Apada. What is committees? No paddhati means do not incur. Incur. The mouse refused the invitation. The mouse refused the invitation of the cat, saying this word: Apada swadosajaha. A principle rightly to be remembered. Nearly all the calamities that we face are as a direct result of our own faults. In case of nature, calamities not being prepared for them is a fault. Okay, translation लिखते हैं. Persons who are mindful of protecting themselves. Person who are mindful of protecting themselves. अपने आप को protect करते हैं. And who do their acts after a proper consideration. And who their acts, कोई भी एक्शन करेगा वो अपने आप को पहले प्रॉपर कंसिडरेशन कराए उसके बाद ही करेगा. तो प्रॉपर कंसिडरेशन डू नॉट incur calamities arising out of their faults. I repeat, person who are mindful of protecting themselves and who do their acts after a proper consideration do not incur calamities arising out of their faults. Next verse is शत्रुन सम्यग विजान्ति दुर्बला ये बलीयसः न तेषां चाल्यन्ते बुद्धिः शास्त्रार्थ कृतनिष्ठाय. I convert into prose order. ये दुर्बला बलीयसः शत्रुनः सम्यक विजायन्ति. फर्स्ट क्या आएगा ये, सेकंड दुर्बला, थर्ड वन बलेशसी. शत्रुम सम्यक विजायन्ति तेषां शास्त्रार्थ कूटनिश्चित्याय बुद्धिः न चाल्यते. I repeat the whole verses, whole prose order. ये दुर्बलाः बलिष्यः शत्रुनः सम्यक विजानति तेषां शास्त्रार्थ कूटनिश्चयात् बुद्धिः न चालयन्ते. बलीयस means possessed of great strength. Balious means great strength. Durbala means weak. Vijayanti means no. Vijanati means no. Shastrat Kutra Nishchat means in the truth of scripture. Shastrat Kutra Nishchat means na chalyante means does not lose its steadiness. Shatrum means enemies. Okay. Buddhi means understanding. Okay. In case of human beings, Shastra. Means scripture. Modern item of science. In case of animals, it is their common sense or survival that guides them to be wary of the stronger. I tell you translation. They that are weak always know their voice who are possessed of greater strength. This understanding firm in the truth of scripture never loses its steadiness. I repeat, they that are weak always know their foes, yeah, enemies who are possessed of greater strength. This understanding firm in the truth of scripture never loses its steadiness. Okay, the here our 11th chapter is complete. 10 verses given. So thank you for watching this video.